Do you want to make money from the comfort of your home? Are you a stay-at-home mom, or you're a student, you are a working class lady, you want to earn money part-time online? There are things you have to do. So this video is for you. If you really want to make money online, I want to introduce you to Jumia. So Jumia will help you earn massively if you are serious about it. So if you want to make money online, this tutorial is for you. So I'm going to share with you how you have to start earning with Jumia as their affiliate. So feel free to watch this tutorial from beginning to the end because it promises to be so loaded. So if you want to make money online from Jumia Express, watch this tutorial. So let's get started. So this is, if you watch this interface, you're going to see JForce. So you click on it. So how do you get this JForce installed in your on your phone? So go to Google, type Jumia JForce. So it is going to open. Click on the first link and it is going to show you JForce, and it will ask you whether you want it to be installed on your phone. So click on yes. So it will now be installed on your phone. So that is how you are going to get it on your phone. So once you open it, you scroll down. As the, you I'm going to be dropping a link for you to register as Jumia affiliate, Jumia JForce member. So you go through this, read their terms and condition, everything. So you are going to be earning commission on any sales being made through your link. So let's go. If you want to select a product that you want to market online, just go to shop on Jumia. You click on shop on Jumia. It is now going to take you to Jumia app direct. It's opening already, so it's taking us to Jumia app. So we have categories, everything you want, electronics devices, phones, any other thing, wears, glossaries. So anything you can think of is here for you. So let's scroll down. Let me scroll up. I'll scroll down to check. Okay, let me say this is my last view item. Let me say I want to market this now. I want to market this Philly power bank. So this Philly power bank, if you want to market it, these are the products, these are the pictures. What you will do is simply screenshots. You screenshot the item. It's 5 there, so screenshot all because you are going to get the items on your phone. So you screenshot the whole item. So screenshots. So you go to share. So look at the price here. So you go to share. You click on share. Once you click on share, you share maybe to your WhatsApp. You share maybe to your WhatsApp, your Drive, your Chrome, tell anywhere you want to share the product, or your Facebook. So a lot of places you can share. Copy the link, or if you want to post it on your Facebook account, you have to share it somewhere to be able to copy the link. So let's say we are sharing on WhatsApp right now. So it's showing me who to send to. So as a Jumia affiliate, Jumia JForce member, so let me say I want to share it to this person here. You see what they wrote? You will not share. So it's now on my WhatsApp. So that's the link. So that's the way you, after registration now, that's the way you would, after your registration as a Jumia JForce member. So let me go back. So I'll be dropping the link on the description of this video. Go and check the link, register and make money from the comfort of your home. So you have to read all their terms and conditions. So you got to make, like, if you share this item on your, you can share it on your Pinterest, WhatsApp, your WhatsApp status, your e-commerce stores. So if anybody purchase, you are going to earn commission. So if you want to start with a cheap product or costly product, it depends on you. So that is how Jumia JForce works. So feel free to join using the link. Feel free to join using the link so that you will not miss this amazing opportunity. So you are going to earn massively if you really take it serious. So you will earn massively. So that is it for you. That is Jumia JForce. So go and register as their affiliate. Join their Telegram group. Everything is there. So you are going to thank me later for this update. So I know you've learned a lot in this tutorial. So use the link on the description of this video to go and join as a Jumia affiliate, and thank me later. Use the link that is showing on your description. Go and register and start earning massively from Jumia. So thank you very much. See you on my next video. And remember, if you're a new subscriber here, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much as well. I really appreciate it. But if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Try as much as possible to subscribe to my channel. This is Juliet Hot Deals, where I bring to you virtually every hot deals on how to make money online and also how to grow on YouTube. So feel free to stick around this channel because it promises to be amazing. I'll bring to you opportunities of how you can be making money from the comfort of your home without moving out. So see you on my next video. Thank you and bye for now.